Money never sleeps, but today it isn't just flowing, it's resetting. Power isn't collapsing, it's realigning. I'm your host from Global Pulse 360. And in the next 5 minutes we'll map where capital is going now, and what it means for the new world order. We start with live data. DXY tilde 99.7410 year yield tilde 4.08%, gold spot tilde $4,000 per ounces. These figures tell us the traditional axis dollar plus US bond markets remains potent. Yet the direction of flow is shifting. Memory hook. Flow gives node. Imagine capital as water finding new low resistance channels. When the dollar holds but other forces emerge, money begins seeking alternate nodes of accumulation. A node means a structural anchor for future capital. Geographic hubs Asia Pacific. Emerging markets, policy platforms, sovereign funds, infrastructure, or technological gateways, digital finance corridors. When capital identifies a strong node, money flows. When the node strengthens, power realigns. Example, sovereign funds reallocating, large infrastructure investment in new hubs. Reserve asset diversification away from traditional Western center. The previous node West plus US dollar remains dominant, but its incremental edge may be eroding. This is a reset, not a collapse. Ask yourself, if capital is quietly rerouting and you're still navigating with yesterday's map, will you end up behind the curve? Key indicators to watch: major fund allocations, cross-border policy shifts, large-scale infrastructure deals, currency, reserve asset diversification, technology finance corridors. Monitor triggers: dollar index shifts, bond yield changes, gold hitting historic highs, sovereign fund moves. Memory reinforcement. Flow gives node equals power realigns. This isn't about chasing the largest gain. It's about mapping the node, observing the flow, and aligning ahead of mainstream shift. If you know where money is moving, you can understand who gains influence. We are in a transitional phase. Liquidity remains abundant, yet paths of least resistance are evolving. Power isn't vanishing, it's moving. Capital is the vehicle. Geography, policy, and digital infrastructure are the roadway. Memory trigger again. Flow gives node equals power realigns. Keep this phrase as your mental anchor. Going forward, stay alert to structural shifts, not just price moves. The objective: perceive the map before the push becomes obvious. Thanks for watching Global Pulse 360. If you found this framework useful, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Together, we'll track the next rotation of capital and power. Until next time.